السلام عليكم أصحابتي وإذ سلامي فضلا ولا سبسكرايب سر كمبلال كنفرو هذا ما صنتهي ما أنت وحنا عيارنا بيس 2021 مركبة كاربي سعود ونكسنا أصحابتي ذا مدريد يس سبسكرايب لايك شير كومنت سبسكرايب لايك شير كومنت بوم سو قرحية اوكي xogaa waxaanu ciyaaraynaa match day anigu meeshaan 800 waxaan kala baxaa un adiga 800 un baa meesha ka qaata ma lahan saas darteeda aan ciyaarana layrka baxalkana iyaala tooshkaasa iyaala markaa saas darteeda inta badan layrka korka layrkaas ma isticmaalo marka akaadee hadal badan ahaan ma buuxshe socod wanaagsan tiimkayga waa kana marka waa kaadee so let's go to start cunta iska soo bedi marka waa kaadee so let's go let's play أصحابي خدك إنه صح مهنين بارجينيا why I don't like sometimes bad connection sometimes good connection you know oh not bad let me see his team against Liverpool okay oh Liverpool I'm ready. I'm sorry I don't go there at the video.
What a lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance. Great consequence in this part of the world. We've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in numbers. You should see the roads outside the ground in the arrow tube leading up.
Oh, that's good, boss.
Bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary.
Alaba.
But the level of expectation is also very, very
Sane.
high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets, as some of you knew, the phase of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. Things have got underway here pretty promptly.
Bro,
I think this turns on, Jim.
come on.
Yeah, Jerome Boateng. He certainly
You
got
have
all
to
the
pass the
physical
ball
qualities
before you
you'd
miss
look
the
for in
ball.
a centre back, Peter. But his technique and his Firmino!
That's good save.
He's there to make a great save. Firmino is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment. Mane! That's a cracking strike, and it may have stung the palms of the keeper. Salah. It's Salah!
أنا weerar kan laygu hayaay kooxaamiya kooxdaydan baa ku adagaa kooxaha kale
And it's played forward. It's Lewandowski. Van Dijk goes looking.
okay,
That's
good
one way
pass
to annoy his teammates.
Boateng.
Alaba. Sané.
No way you can miss that.
Well played. He saw
That's
that
good
coming.
job.
And it's Muller. Now it's Lewandowski. Lewandowski unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Mane.
Oh, thank you, Noah.
One quality pass away from being a very decent chance. Looked very promising. Quality deserted them when they really needed it. Well positioned to make that interception. Firmino. He's away.
Oh, shit.
Firmino!
Too far.
Oh, wonderful effort all by himself. Firmino might possibly be accused of a little selfishness, but
I'm
his
using
endeavour is to be
this
admired.
time Bayern München, but in my club or my team or squad, I'm using Real Madrid.
Alaba.
Hala Madrid.
Alaba drives it forward. Done very well to intervene. And it's Salah. Pass needed to be better than
Oh,
that,
shit.
and he knows it. Firmino is onto it and can take it up. Cuts out in the nick of time.
No.
Goes for goal.
Thank you, Neuer. Thank you. That's goalkeeper. That's goalkeeper.
Sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it. And he's cut it out.
Oh my god.
He's cut through his own net.
Come on, Kimmich. What are you doing?
It was an honest attempt to help out, but I suppose it can happen to anyone. Well, that'll have created more work for the boss. There we are, off they go for half-time.
Mistake. And that's one there. Shit.
The own goal was symptomatic of their first half performance. They're not at it.
waxaan iyo garacdan waxay u dagaalamayaan rating ana rating meesha uma soo
Bayern Munich
gelinayo
will need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first. If they don't grab it,
ana
now,
rating
they'll
jecelaha wax
they can't hold back though.
oh my god oh
Keeper's done ever so well. Look, when we talk about decision making, there's a great example. Strong and decisive. Fabinho tries to strike it through.
no
That's been and Mane!
bro connectionkiisa imikana xumaanaya miya
Music low.
the hell is this connection man
Played it short. And the shot! That has certainly tested the goalkeeper. Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp. Great strength. Too strong for his opponent.
Bro, stop sending me them. dadkan ya
Forward it
ah
goes.
inta hayadii waxa noo soo
Roberto
diraysiin
Firmino. Mane. Questions were asked. He's given the answers. And here's Mohamed Salah. Firmino. Firmino!
yaabla rating gana iska
A
dhex
real let-off. All he
waxaan
needed is
rating
pace and
waxaan
ground.
rating lagu cararayaan wax kale ma yaqaan waxaan beri baa lasoo bilaabayaa ratingan maxay ka faa'iidayaan waxay dadka ugu faanayaan miya inta wax faanitaan waxaan ka hayn miya meesha ugu hay
Firmino.
masiinaya banaan
Kimmich. That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here. It's a brilliant interception. Coleman. Oh, well intercepted. Really alert.
what the hell offside ma waxaasne
Assistant referee rightly gives him offside.
come on Konami that's not offside you can't see oh my god bro what the hell this defender's doing
Firmino really did let them off
oh
the
my
hook.
god waa sigtay anaa iska dhilin gaaray mar labaade
And it's been taken short.
come on ma soconaysa inaa hal gool xataa keeni waay
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed. But
Sané shit come on
Mohamed Salah gets into some space. This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
just to pass the ball before you miss
He's in short, and he's gone for it.
yes level
He thought it was over.
yes
It
yes
went once more.
level again laba caqli galban ba ahan inaan
All square.
laba gafabe
No time remaining.
no way hal gool xataa inaan keeni waayo ma soconaysa
It's got to come now.
ah free
Yes,
kick
the referee's given it.
it's very impossible you can't score 1-0 off 1-1 off
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
close
He's made sure that that won't get through,
thank you
and that's it. A game
1-1
drawn.
that's okay that's
Points.
good
Could have gone either way. Chose in the end to share its spoils. Ends in a highly entertaining draw. We look
that's
forward to
draw that is draw yes okay asxaabteyda aada idin salaamaya thanks guys subscribe and like and share and comment see you next time